In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a loading spinner with Base44. So what you can do, first open up Base44 and open up the project that you've been working on. So for example, here, I've got this app here that I just created. Okay. So here, if you want to add, simply just add a loading spinner, you can simply say that by providing the prompts. So there is, as you know, you don't really need to know any coding or anything with a Base44, because in Base44 all you do is you're just providing in prompts in normal natural language and it will do it for you. So in this case here, so I have this notes app here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a loading spinner. For example, when I click the search option here, or when I'm searching for something, so I'm going to have a loading spinner. So in order to do those things, so what we can do is it can just provide a command. Okay, I'm just going to write a command here to add a loading spinner. Okay, so for example, just write a command like this. For example, something like this, like show a loading spinner when the search option is clicked until the results show. So this is the command I'm going to provide. Okay, click the provide. Okay, just type in the command and provide it, and then what happens, it's Base44 will incorporate that to your project here, and it will get it done for you. Okay, so for example, so now this has been added, so we'll just test it. So for example, if I click on the search option here, okay, and then I'm going to search for, and if I click on search, as you can see there, did you just see that there's a loading spinner that's been added here. So if I search for it, so there you go, as you can see, the loading spinner is there. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you add it. It's very simple. You just have to add it through a command prompt, and basically that's pretty much it is.